bafethu langena uhlelo olusha namhlanje on a Monday kumhla ka-5 February 2024 elingene lelo hluka lesho kade idlala yalo baba oqhutshwa ngebhala mesaqala. Thank God. So the new show is called Champions. It features some of the famous faces as well from our television. I'm talking Mzansi, Joanne Renick. I'm talking Ubongosi Nthembu. I'm talking Khomotso Christopher. Baningi bafethu, and the show is surrounded by storyline sebhola. So if you're a fan also wayithanda Zone 14, I think you're gonna love this. Short post dramas, if they are a thing, angazi asikhulumeni ngayo sibone bafethu kwenzakalani. What's happening, Bafethu? Kamalam Azad, thank you so much for coming through. Right, just before we go any further, please don't forget to subscribe to my page, press that like button and that bell button, so notifications whenever I drop my videos. So let's review if Champions Bafethu. It talks about team Kamalek Tuaini, Isoshanguve Giants that have not been doing very well as the team. They have been losing games. They haven't won any championships for the past 5 years. They have master players. They have such a good chairman, and indodakazi yakhe Joanne is also part of the team in terms of management. Uma siqala nje ishow bafethu sibona umfana laphana oyimisele ngokuthi angene eteamini uhlale lokushini onephupho lokuthi angene eteamini ejima lapha ethi yabona nje one day ngizongena lapha eteamini nami ngibonakala ukuthi kukhona into engayiletha. Anyways, from that we see futhi nakhona i-press conference esuke ibanjwe ama team members or leadership Isoshanguve Giants talking about game abasazoyidlala that is very anticipated in terms of ukuthi izoba points, and it's also gonna pave the way for the future of what it holds for them as the team. Now we get introduced to some characters and also some storylines in terms of former love lives and whatnot. As a Mona Usisu Joanne is also dating Ubongosi. Ubongosi is everywhere. I just finished watching Eland, Adulting, he was there, right? And I'm also watching this, he's also there. And now the guys Bafethu, they are working very hard, tirelessly. But anyways, Ubongosi plays the character of being the star of the team. Ferrari, but Umfaka Zulu is Bongo is in his character. And he just had an injury, but somehow in Tombiako, which is is convinced with, you know what, you need to play, especially for the boss, for the morale. If you are on the field, I mean, everyone is gonna cheer on, so they can prepare. They prepare for the team, they prepare rather for the match. And the changing rooms, if you're in Nyanga, is what and the chairman for Nakona figure also and give them words of wisdom and encouragement. Guys, please go out there, your fans are waiting, everyone is watching. So nizi misele ngayo yonke into efanele yenze namuhlanje, and they actually did well. They played one game and even though he's not quite ready after his injury to actually play. He played very well. He actually scored 2 goals against the competition, Yasse Rustenbeck. Now, this was actually quite good. And within our storylines, Khomotso Christopher plays the part of being a wife of Salomake Ngube. And Salomake Ngube is quite not impressed by his daughter's relationship with Ferrari. And I think, like any other father out there, he's just worried about his daughter. Why would she go out and date a soccer player? I mean, the word is there, player. But anyways, and they also dabble around the fact that he's not entirely impressed by how much decisions are and whatnot. But now Kuskazwak is like, come on, now I was attracted to you while you were still a soccer player. And then on the other side of town, Nayumli Salona is celebrating Nomdeni. They are watching the soccer as well at home. Kumnandi Lomfana always aspiring a soccer player until Marcus of 17 and gets some devastating news. She was 17. I think that puts pressure on the guy who says, I need to work really hard. So he's always waiting again a Pauline. Bafethu. And then we need to buy a Karomo. I figured up a new chairman put again as Okulumana, so what born with the guys and he did very well. And then the guy all of a sudden kind of like gets a stroke or he has to take some point. Well, this was the end of the first episode, Champions. I think it's going to be playing every Monday at 8 o'clock in the evening. Usually these shows, they last for about 13 episodes, so it's not going to be very long. It's like 20 minutes, about 13, which is more than enough. It's like 3 months of just watching this show. It's going to be short. Let's just keep it going slowly but surely. See what else is coming with this new show. Okay, thank you so much bafethu for coming through. Sikhuluma le ndaba le show to champions that just came through Mzansi Magic bafethu. We're gonna speak about it as time goes by and many other shows as time progresses. Okay, thank you.